Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. This week's video is a special one because I'm teaming up with Haddy The Creator, another phenomenal artist on YouTube, and he invited me on this collaboration project where we would make two separate videos, one for his channel and one for mine. In this project, both our sons made an illustration which we are going to redraw. So on this channel we will be redrawing one of my son's illustrations, so later on you will see me make a new version of my son's illustration, and just after that Haddy The Creator will make his own version of this illustration with two different artists with two different visions on the same concept. Very interesting to look at. And that's not all. If you go over to his channel, where both he and I will redraw one of his son's designs, which is a volcanic monster, and it turned out quite epic, I must say. Before we get into the rest of the video, I would like to thank Haddy The Creator for the amazing opportunity to collaborate, and I hope we can do this again in the future. Thanks man, now let's get to drawing. Well, I'm very happy how that one turned out. Now let's meet my partner in crime for the second part of this video. This is Haddy The Creator.
Hey guys, Haddy The Creator here, creating something new to share with you. Thanks so much Smully Art for letting me be on your channel with you and taking a stab at your son's amazing character design. I had a lot of fun drawing his character and turning him into a more fleshed out and stylized creature that is more Haddy the Creator-esque. I also have a YouTube channel where I take on any creative projects that pique my interest, and I will dive in and give them a try. For the most part, I do a lot of drawing, a lot of 3D modeling. Lately, I've been having a lot of fun drawing my son's character designs that he draws and turning them into a more stylized and fleshed out and detailed drawing. So naturally, teaming up with Smully Art, that does the same thing, was a perfect move, and I think that it turned out really cool. I really enjoyed doing this with Smully. He's a really talented artist. I did 2 versions of this character. I did kind of a more cartoony one really quick, and then I did a more detailed one. I did a more detailed one just because I wasn't really happy with the quick cartoony one. At the end of it though, I feel like I like the cartoon style one a little bit better as far as design goes, but they were both really fun to do. I loved that he had a robotic arm. That was a lot of fun to incorporate into the final drawing. I also really liked the 4 eyes. That was a fun element to play with. I also love the katana. I think characters with katanas are just really cool, kind of like a lizard samurai. So with the more detailed drawing I did, I kind of was thinking more samurai because of the katana, even though I don't think samurai actually use katana. I think that's a ninja thing. Anyways, that's kind of the design process I had, kind of Japanese clothing with the karate. So let's dive in and check out the drawings.
And here we have them all lined up one final time. The original design by my son Giel, the 2 amazing illustrations by Haddy the Creator and one by myself. I really like the cartoony one, it's my personal favorite I think. So let's turn around the camera for some final words. Well, that's it for this week's video. I had a lot of fun on this collaboration project together with Haddy the Creator. Again, a big thank you for this opportunity. I really had a lot of fun. If you guys liked it as well, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend, who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. And also get over to Haddy the Creator's channel, he has amazing content, and just say that I sent you. I think he would like that. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!